Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving deep into one of the effective trend reversal indicators that you can use on MetaTrader 4. Specifically, we are going to be looking at the target bands indicator. All right, so if you are struggling to time your entries or looking for a tool that can help you catch potential reversals, then this is the video for you. We are going to cover how the target bands indicator works, how to set it up, and how to use it for maximum accuracy. Stick around to the end because I'll also share some pro tips to improve your trading strategy. Now, before we jump in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on powerful Forex trading tools. Now, I'm going to add the target bands indicator to the chart. It's a custom indicator, so you would have to download it from an external site and add it to your indicators library before you will be able to use this indicator on your chart. Now, this is how the target bands indicator looks like. Okay, it is a channel based indicator just like we can see here, and it is designed to detect potential trend reversals. It works by plotting upper and lower bands on your chart, which represent overbought and oversold zones. Now, when the price touches these bands, there is a high probability of a trend reversal or at least a pullback, right? But that is not all. This indicator also provides buy and sell signal stars, you know, as you can see. Okay, maybe I'm just going to change the color of the stars so that we can, it can be more visible. Yeah, which of these now is for the stars? I don't know if it is this. Let's try this out. Okay, that's not for the stars. Um, uh, let me just change the colors of all of them. I don't know which of them is for the stars, but let me just okay. All right, so we can see that these stars also help to confirm trade entries in addition to the channel, the upper channel. In addition to the upper bands and the lower bands, these stars are also giving precise entry signals, your sell signal, your buy signal. Okay, so a star appearing above a candlestick suggests a sell signal, while a star below a candlestick signals a buy opportunity. It also comes with a look back period of 55 bars, meaning it analyzes past price behavior to determine potential reversal points with better accuracy. So, how exactly does this indicator help you make better trading decisions? One is trend exhaustion zones. The upper band represents an area where the price is considered overbought, meaning that sellers might step in, right? Then the lower band represents an oversold zone where buyers might take control. Secondly, with reference to reversal potential, when price touches one of these bands, it may reverse, but you shouldn't trade blindly. Okay, instead, look for confirmation signals before entering a trade. All right. Thirdly, breakout behavior. If price breaks through a band, when you have a breakout, from a band, whether to the upside or to the downside, it often comes back to retest the zone. All right, it often comes back to retest the zone. Remember that one of the things that validates a breakout is retest, right? One of the things that validates a breakout is retest. Okay, here we had a phase of consolidation around here. I'm just checking for an example where we had a breakout and a retest. Okay, I think we have a breakout and a retest around here. You can see there was a breakout from here and there was a retest and a continuation, although that trend did not last for long. Okay, but basically ensure you get confirmation for your trade setups. All right, make sure you get your confirmation whether you want to trade breakouts or you want to trade, continuation patterns. And then the indicator also, like I said before, the stars, buy or sell signal stars, are part of the main characteristics of this indicator. They start appearing on the chart, signals a potential entry point, making it easier to spot trading opportunities. So this makes the target bands indicator a great tool for scalping, day trading, and intraday strategies. Now let's just talk about how you can actually use this indicator in your trading strategy. First of all, you add the indicator to your chart. It's a custom indicator, so download it from an external site and then add it to your indicators library. Then restart your terminal. Okay, then you can add it to your chart, and it's going to automatically plot all these channel and stars for you on your chart. Then the next step is to identify your trading zones. If price reaches the upper band, look for potential short trade. Then if price reaches the lower band, look for potential long trades. Okay, the next step is to look for confirmation. Never enter a trade just because price touches a band. Okay, confirm the signal using candlestick patterns like maybe pin bars, engulfing candles, and all of that, right? For example, we can see that here we actually had a sell signal. The price got to the upper band, 1, and we had the star form, that's 2. And in addition to that, you can see that we also had a bearish engulfing. So that we had enough confirmation for this sell. And guess what? You can see that the price dropped at least notably to this point, right, from the upper band to the lower band. So this would have been a good scalping opportunity. Okay, so once you get your confirmation, whether it's candlestick patterns, divergence with RSI or MACD, or breakout retest, just make sure you get confirmation. Then you can enter your trade. Then of course, if it is a sell trade, then you'll be looking out for a sell signal star appearing at the upper band, which is a stronger indication of a potential reversal downward. If it is a buy signal, you have to wait for a buy signal star to appear at the lower band, which suggests a potential reversal to the upside. Then the final step is to set your stop loss and take profits. You ensure you place your stop loss a few pips outside the bands to avoid fake breakouts. Okay, if you are in a sell trade, set your stop loss above the band, some pips away. If it is a buy trade, your stop loss is going to be some pips away below the band. Okay, then take your profit when price returns to the middle of the range, or when another signal appears. So you can just exit your buy when a sell signal appears, or exit your sell when a buy signal appears. Now, to get the best results with the target bands indicator, here are a few pro tips. Okay, combine it with price action. The best trades come when the indicator aligns with key support and resistance levels, or chart patterns like double tops and bottoms. Also, use additional indicators. You can pair the target bands indicator with RSI, MACD, or moving averages to strengthen your trade signals. Okay, and also avoid ranging markets. The indicator works best in trending conditions, so stay away from sideways or choppy markets. All right, and then finally, make sure that you backtest before using real money. Always test the indicator on a demo account before applying it to live trades. All right, and that is a wrap. The target bands indicator is an amazing tool for identifying trend reversals and trade setups. But remember, no indicator is perfect, so always use it alongside other trading strategies for the best results. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more powerful Forex trading insights. And also, let me know in the comments, have you used the target bands indicator before? What is your experience with it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.